This is Jarrett Vanderwerf at MarineMax Dallas. Today I'm super pumped to be bringing you guys the all-new 2025 XT24. We did a little special something on this boat. We kind of resembled it after the Dallas Cowboys. If you're a Cowboys fan, this is the boat for you. Let's check it out. All right, on the back of this XT24, I love these rear seats. The really nice thing about them is this bottom part is adjustable, so it slides in or slides out depending on how you set and want to get comfy. A nice thing too is on the seat back will actually fold down. Now you have more of a sun pad to kind of lay out. You do have a rear transom remote for your audio, so if you're hanging out back here, you can adjust volume, flip to that next song, and you do get that transom walkthrough. That way you're saving your upholstery. Let's get inside. All right, jumping inside this boat, a couple cool things I want to point out to you guys. Look at all this rear view wake seating here. Obviously those will both fold down. That'll come back and change your seating up on the fly. When you got a lot going on behind the boat, that's where the magic happens. Everyone wants to be involved. On your tower here, this is going to be the Z8 tower. You're going to push a button and it'll be assisted. It'll come right down. Super easy to get up and down. Really nice if you need to lower that to get into the dock, whatever it might be. This boat does have the premium audio system, so you've got 4 clips tower speakers. These are going to be the aluminum canisters, which is an upgrade. And as you can kind of see in the boat here, you got everything RGB backlit, RGB under your tower canisters. You are going to have a light under your tower here. It's nice if you're at night. You want to change out some wet clothes, you can see. And then you do have a rear view camera here, so you can watch that as you're driving. Make sure you can focus on what's in front of you and look down and peek at your rider behind you. So yeah, let's jump into the helm. All right, so in the driver's seat, this is really where Mastercraft concentrated for 2025. They made that seat a little bit wider, made it some new contour here. They really did this bolster nice. You can't even tell it's there when you have it down. And it is a little bit thicker, so you set up a little higher on this boat than previous models. Another couple cool feature, we've added this quick knob. That way you can switch your rider as he's surfing, change the speed, change your tabs, add ballast, really just with a click of a button. We've also added this really nice volume knob here that does allow you to switch to next songs, mute your audio when you're picking up that rider. And it's an all new screen. It's got all new hardware to it, so everything looks different in the back end. They just really try to simplify the operation, make everything smooth and easy for you as you're surfing and making your way down the lake. So super excited about 2025 XT24. Thanks for walking through the 2025 XT24 with me. I just pointed out a couple cool features. Obviously, this boat has a lot more options than we had time to cover. Like I said, go Cowboys. Come see me, Jarrett Vanderwerf. We are at MarineMax in Dallas.